Hello and welcome once again to at Kendo TATL, which stands for Data Analytic Tools for Learning. At Kendo TATL, we share resources on data analytic tools like Excel, SQL, Python, and R on how to read, clean, analyze, and then visualize data. In today's video, I will show you as a data analyst or data scientist how to filter your records in each of these tools Excel, SQL, and R in just under 10 minutes. So let's dive in. Filter your data in Excel. Here is a brief slide note, and then later we'll do a practical demo. Filtering is a fundamental operation in data analysis. It helps refine your dataset by showing only relevant information. From the slides, we can see filtering helps you to show results that meet a specific criteria. For example, from our dataset, you have first name and then you want to show all the records that start with the letter M, or we can go to the salary column and show all the records that are greater than 10,000. On the first name column, to apply filter, you just click highlight on the column. Then you can go to the data tab and then click create filter. So once you click on create filter, then you go back to the column and then you will see the filter button. The filter button look like a funnel with three horizontal lines. Then you click on the filter button and then filter by condition, and then you can apply the criteria that you want, like you want to filter for all the first name that start with the letter M. And once you click apply filter, then it will show the results. All the first names that start with letter M. Or you can filter and see all the first names that ends with the letter A. Then it will show the results of all the first name that ends with the letter A. Or then to cancel the filter, you just highlight the column once again, go to data and then remove filter. Then you have your original data set. To going to the salary column, you want to filter the salary column to show all the records that are greater than 10,000. You highlight the column, click on data, then create filter. Then on the filter button, click filter by condition. You want to see all the salary that are greater than 10,000. And click OK. It will show the results of all the values in the salary column that are greater than 10,000. We can save a copy of this results by duplicating the sheet and then rename it as salary greater than 10,000. Okay, so we go back to the original data set. You can remove the filter by click remove filter. This is the original data set, and then this is the query results for salary greater than 10,000. Still, we can query and get results that are more than 10,000. You just highlight the cell. You can click on the filter here, or you just go back to the procedures like click create filter, and then on the filter button, you just say by condition and to less than, we want to see all the value in the salary column that are less than 10,000. We click apply, and this is the results, and then we can duplicate and save that results also. These are salary less than 10,000. Going back to the dataset, you can remove the filter. You, you have your original dataset, and then you have your query results here. Salary less than 10,000, you can see. And then salary greater than 10,000, you can see. So this is how you apply filter in Excel. records in SQL. In SQL, we use the where clause to filter records, as Excel can deal with a small dataset of hundreds to thousands of rows. In SQL, you can process dataset with millions of rows and then get the query results in a second. That's why as a data analyst, it's good to have a knowledge of using SQL. Using the big query, this is the dataset that we are going to be working with to apply our filter into. So we're going to query the salary column so that we can see the results of salary that are above 10,000 or below 10,000. So we go to query and then we apply the select all, that is all the columns from the table, that is my project Excel due to Excel final, and then we apply the where clause, that is the filter command, where salary is greater than 10,000. So this will show all the results of all the salary that are above 10,000 from the dataset. As you can see, the salary column has been filtered, showing only results above 10,000. So we can still modify the query to see results of salary that are now below 10,000. You can say select all from the table, then the where clause, that is filter, where salary is now less than 10,000. When we run this query, so that's the results of all the salary that are less than 10,000. Remember, we can also use the select clause to perform a filter. So for the select clause, it can only help you filter the columns. So instead of using the asterisk to show all the columns, you can say use the column name, the specific column name that you want to filter the records, like salary column. You want to filter only the salary column, not to show the whole data set. You can say select salary from the table, and this will show you the results of the salary column from the data set. So once when you want to see more column, you can just add the columns separated by commas. Like you want to see first name column and then the salary column. So this will also show a filter of only the first name and then the salary. Yes, so if you want to see the whole data set, you can just use the asterisk, that is select all the columns from the table. This will show you all the data set, the records in the data, first name, last name, contact details, salary, and the rest. So records in the R programming language. In R, we use the filter keyword to filter records. In the next slides, we'll have a practical demo of using the R Studio environment to filter records in R. Welcome to R Studio. I will show you how to filter records in R. First, we need to view the record, the dataset that we are working with. Use the view command will show the results above. Dataset above. Now we can apply our filter. First, we give it the results of our filter. We give it a variable name. We want to see salary above 10,000 is equals to filter, go to Excel, where salary is greater than 10,000. So this is the filter command that you can use to filter results in R. the filter keyword, the name of the data set, then the criteria, the column name, and then the criteria is greater than, salary is greater than 10,000. So once you click on, so this one, to see the results of the query, we can use the view command, view salary above 10,000, salary above 10,000. So you see the results of the query here, salary that are above 10,000. So all the salary are above 10,000, as you can see. So we can also apply a filter to show the results of all salary that are less than 10,000. So we will create a variable salary below 10,000 is equals to filter, the filter, then the data set, new to Excel file, then the criteria, the salary is less than 10,000. So this is what we want to filter and see. So to see the results, we use the view command, view salary below, salary below 10,000. So use the view command, then the view command will show us here all the salary in the original data set. You can see salary that are above 10,000 are here, and then salary that are below 10,000 are filtered here with the filter command in R. Filter the dataset name, this column name, and then the criteria greater than or less than the amount. The end. And thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on data analytics at Kendo.DATL. Thank you for watching once again. Have a nice day.